Maria Josefa Gabriela Carino Silang, also known as Gabriela Silang, was born on March 19, 1731 and died in Caniogan, Santa Ilocos Sur, a Filipino military leader best known for her role as the female leader of the Ilocano independence movement of Spain. She was married to Don Tomas Milan, a wealthy and known businessman in Ilocos. Shortly after their marriage, Milan died of old age. Gabriela met Diego Silang, a man of great intelligence, courage, and determination, who lived and fought towards the independence of the Filipino people. She joined the revolt against the Spaniards alongside Diego. His revolt was successful at first, but was derailed by fellow locals, Pedro Becbec and Miguel Vicos, who sided with the Spaniards. Miguel Vicos, along with the hated and dreaded Spanish officials, orchestrated Diego's assassination on May 28, 1763. After Diego was assassinated, Gabriela vowed to avenge his death and to continue the struggle. She was in great affliction, but had no time to lose. The rebels lost hope after the death of their leader. None of the men stepped up to be the new face of the rebellion, so Gabriela did something very heroic and took her husband's place as the leader of the rebellion. She greatly armed herself and informed the people that the struggle was far from over. She soon gained more followers. Gabriela began to assist people living in other cities. The people began to call her Generala, which meant woman general, and were gratified that Diego's fighting spirit was continued with Gabriela. Gabriela Silang's unwavering dedication to her people and her willingness to sacrifice for their liberation make her a symbol of bravery and inspiration. Today, Gabriela Silang is celebrated as a national hero in the Philippines, and her story continues to inspire generations to fight for justice, equality, and the pursuit of freedom. Gabriela once said, "Ako si Generala Gabriela. Bayan natin ito. Hindi tayo dapat inaapil. At lalong hindi tayo dapat iniisan at pinagtataksilan ng mga sarili nating kakampi para sa ilang pipiraso. Dahil kailanman ay hindi